Hi, this is a quick video demonstration of the Brother CS6000i computerized sewing machine. Let's go ahead and turn the sewing machine on. And then we've got these 16 patterns here. We're going to pick pattern 3. So go ahead and change to 3. And let's go ahead and do our sewing demonstration. And there's the sample of the stitch. This has 60 different built-in stitches, has an LED display for stitch selection, which is what we looked at right here, and adjustments, and a super bright LED light underneath there, so when you're for your work area. Thank you for watching.